So other questions may come with a bearing. Under trigonometry, please prepare your mind for such questions too. Don't be just used to questions without bearing. You may have questions to do with bearing. So we have this question which is of 2016 paper 2 GCE, question number 7. I'll read this question. The question is 3 towns, Luzi, which is L there. We have another town which is Muzi, which is M there, and also Puzi, which is P, are spaced as shown in the diagram. This is the diagram we have. Then we have M is on a bearing of 0,60. M is only the bearing of 0,60 from L. This is the bearing of M from L. Then we also have, and P is only a bearing of 105 from M. So that is the bearing of P from M, which is 105, this one. Now the question is, given that M is 450 kilometers from L, and also M is 600 kilometers from P, calculate the distance between L and P. Calculate the distance between L and P. How do we find the distance there? So we are going to extract that triangle and do it like this. So we have M, we have L, and we also have O. So this is the triangle we have. Now we need to find this angle here. How do we come up with that angle? Because once we find that angle, it will be very easy to find this distance. This distance here by using the cosine law, where we are going to have small letter m squared is equal to small letter L squared plus small letter p squared minus 2 LP. Then we have cos capital letter M. That is what we are going to have. Now, how are we going to find that M, angle M? We are going to find that angle M by coming up with a concept. Remember, this is bearing. The concept of saying 360, the whole angles in a circle 360. 360 minus this angle here, and also minus this angle here, which is 105. Now, so it will be 360 minus angle 105 plus angle M. Which angle M? This angle M, maybe I put it this way, angle A, L, M, and N, like that. What is this angle here? Now, how are we going to know this angle? Because we don't know it. We are going to know that angle by using the angles in parallel lines. They add up to 180. So if this angle here is 60, meaning this angle here, which is 60, plus this angle here, which is M there, they are supposed to give us 180. So meaning 180 minus 60, the answer we are going to have is 110. So we are going to say 360 minus 105 plus 110. Not 110, but 120. So we are going to have 120. Now, so we are going to have 360 minus, we add those two. We add 105 plus 120. So it will be 225. Now, what is 225 or 360 minus 225? 360 minus 225. 360 minus 225, we have 135. So angle M, that angle M there is 125. So this is the way we handle questions to do with bearings. Having known now that M is 125, so I'm going to say, we now continue by saying small letter m, which is the side you are looking for, which is side the distance, which is distance AO and P. So we are going to say M squared is equal to small letter AO is that 600 squared plus 450 squared, then minus 2 multiplied by the AO is 600, then multiplied by, we have 450, then multiplied by cos this answer we have gotten there, cos that. So we move, so we say M squared is equal to, let's go to 600 squared. 600 squared. What is 600 squared? We'll say 600 squared. Okay, 600 squared, we have 3, like this, 1,000, 360,000 plus, we have 450, we have 450 squared. We have 450 squared, which is 202 and 500. Then minus C, we are going to have 2 multiplied by 600 multiplied by 450. We have 540,000. Then multiplied by cos. Multiplied by, we have cos 132. So everything, this one multiplied by cos negative, cos 135, which will give us negative 0.707. Then we have 106,781, 186,5V5. This is what we have. So now we are now going to say M squared is equal to, we add this. Okay, so you get your calculator and add. So you say 360,000, like this, 360,000 plus 202 and 500. The answer we get is 5V6, we have 5V62, then we have 500 like that. Then minus, okay, we say open bracket, we have, we multiply that. It will be 5V, we have 5V4, 40,000, like that, multiplied by 0, I would say negative either way. Okay, 0.707106. We have 78118. We have 655. So we have, that is the answer. So we are going to have negative 38,183.6618. We have 40, we have 737. So you put them in brackets. Now, we have the negative there and the negative there. The two become positive. So we are going to say M squared is equal to 5V62500 plus, it will be plus 381,837. Okay, 837, we have 7 there, 0.661840737. So let us now add that. What are we going to have? We add now that one plus, we are adding this, our previous answer from the calculator. We are adding this answer with that answer there. So we have 5V6, 2588 and 2 zeros. 2 5 and also 2 zeros. So we have m squared is equal to 944,337.66184. We have 0 there, then we have 737. What do we do now to find the value of m squared? So we are going to say, we are going now to square root both sides, and this other side you square root. So the square root of something squared, it is that same thing. So we are going to have, therefore, m is equal to the square root of what we have there. So we'll say the square root, you put your square root. So if you don't want to waste time, you say the square root of the answer. The square root of the answer we are getting is 971. Remember, this is not an angle. This is just a side. So we are going to leave this side into 3 significant figures. So we have 972. That will be our answer, 972 kilometers, since these things are in kilometers. So that is the answer, and that is the answer for AO or side AOP, 972 kilometers. The other question, it has to do with the area. I want to believe by now we have known even how to find the area. So what is our area? Remember our answer there for that angle. The angle there with the answer we got is 135. That is the angle we got for angle M or angle LMP. So let us now find the area. What will be the area of that? So to find the area, we'll say area is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by side small letter p, which is 450, multiplied by side L, which is 600, then multiplied by sine m, which is this m we got there, which is 135. So our area is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by the p is 450 multiplied by the length, which is 600, or the L is 600, then multiplied by sine angle M, which is 135 degrees. So what will be our final answer for the area? So if we multiply everything, then you divide by 2, the answer we are getting is 95459 .413. It continues 415460184. Remember, this one we leave it in 3 significant figures. So our final answer will be up to there. So there, instead of writing 4, we are going to write 5, because we are rounding it off to 3 significant figures. So it will be kilometer squared. That will be the answer. It will be in kilometers squared. What is the other question? The other question, we are told to find the angle MPL, meaning this angle here. How will that angle be found? How will that angle be found? 2 marks. Let us find that angle. Let us find that angle there. How will that angle be found? This is what we are going to do now, to find that angle. So to find that angle, we are going to use the sine rule, where we'll say small letter p over sine p is equal to small letter m over sine big letter M. What is small letter p? It is 450 over sine p It is the one we are looking for, that angle. Then it's equal to small letter m, we got 972 over sine m. What is m? We got that angle as our 135 degrees. So what do? We'll now cross multiply and find the value of that. So we have 972 and the sine p is equal to 450 multiplied by sine 135. Sine 135. So this one will be 972 sine p. Sine p is equal to, if we multiply now, let us multiply. We have 450 multiplied by sine 135. The answer we have is 18.198. We have 946. Then whatever we have there now, we're going to divide it. Okay, so now we're going to divide it both sides by 972. Even this other side, 972. So we have sine p is equal to the answer we have divided by 972. So we have 0.32764. We have 250. We have 549. All these are numbers. You write all of them. So now you are going to say, to find the angle P, you are going to say the inverse. Okay, the inverse sine of 0.3273450,549, then 33. So you say, to me, I will say shift sine answer. Sine answer. Okay, we say shift sine answer. So what do we have? So if we say shift sine 0.327364250,54933. The angle we are getting for M, we say therefore MPL, meaning this angle here will be equal to 19.1. So it is 19.1 degrees, and this marks the end to this question. This also marks the end to questions under trigonometry. Remember, we said we are going to look at Big 5. So our next topic, or rather our next videos, will be based on the other topics which we are yet to send. So this is what we have under trigonometry. Thank you so much.